For over 22 years, Tranter IT has been helping Nigerian organizations outsource mission-critical operations with discipline, structure, and measurable performance. Business process outsourcing is not a side offering for us. It is a core enterprise capability built through decades of managing complex systems for banks, manufacturers, government agencies, healthcare providers, oil and gas operators, and logistics companies. Business process outsourcing in Nigeria requires more than labor supply. It requires governance, performance management, service delivery frameworks, and the technology to sustain them at scale. This is the operational discipline Tranter IT brings to every engagement. Today, our BPO delivery model is powered by a workforce of over 350 professionals, including 268 IT support engineers deployed across 6 industry sectors. These teams support customer service operations, HR support services, IT operations, reporting, workflow automation, and workforce coordination under structured service level agreements and performance dashboards. This depth of execution is why Tranter IT currently supports 74% of Nigeria's commercial banks and leading organizations across all sectors. Our experience is not theoretical. It is built on real-world delivery, embedded teams, and measurable outcomes. By partnering with Tranter IT, organizations are engaging the country's foremost BPO company, trusted to deliver control, visibility, and performance at scale. Tranter IT and Bpo Services, delivered globally, physically, and remotely. Kindly visit our website for inquiries.